Alphabet Codes, written year 2014. A. Accept others for who they are and for the choices they've made, even if you have difficulty understanding their beliefs, motives, or actions. B. Break away from everything that stands in the way of what you hoped to accomplish with your life. C. Create a family or friends whom you can share your hopes, dreams, sorrows, and happiness with. D. Decide that you will be successful and happy, come what may, and good things will find you. The roadblocks are only minor obstacles along the way. E. Explore and experiment. The world has much to offer, and every time you try something new, you'll learn more about yourself. F. Forgive and forget. Grudges only weigh you down and inspire unhappiness and grief. Soar above it and remember that everyone makes mistakes. G. Grow. Leave the childhood monster behind. They can no longer hurt you or stand in your way. H. Hope for the best and never forget that anything is possible as long as you remain dedicated to the task. I. Ignore the negative voice inside your head. Focus instead on your goals and remember your accomplishments. Your past success is only a small inkling of what the future holds. J. Journey to new world, new possibilities by remaining open-minded. Try to learn something new every day and you'll grow. K. Know that no matter how bad things seem, they always get better. The warmth of spring always follows the harshest winter. L. Love. Let love fill your heart instead of hate. When hate in your heart, there's room for nothing else. But when you love is in your heart, there's room for endless happiness. M. Manage your time and your expenses wisely and you'll suffer less stress and worry. Then you'll be able to focus on the important things in life. And never ignore the poor, helpless, weak, or suffering. Offer your assistance when possible and always your kindness and understanding. O. Open your eyes and take in all the beauty around you, even during the worst of times. P. Play. Never forget to have fun along the way. Success means nothing without happiness. Q. Ask many questions because you're here to learn. R. Relax. Refuse to let worry and stress rule your life. And remember that things always have a way of working out in the end. S. Share your talent, skills, knowledge, and time with others. Everything that you invest in others will return to you many times over. T. Try even when your dreams seem impossible to reach. Try anyway. You'll be amazed by what you can accomplish. U. Use your gifts to your best ability. Talent that's wasted has no value. Talents that used will bring unexpected rewards. V. Value friends and family members who supported and encouraged you and be there for them as well. W. Work hard every day to be the best person you can be. Never feel guilty if you fall short of your goals. Uh, X. X-ray. Look deep inside the hearts and you'll see the goodness and beauty within. Y. Yield to commitment. If you stay on track and remain dedicated, you'll find success at the end of the road. Z. Zoom to a happy place when bad memories or sorrow rears its ugly head. Let nothing interfere with your goals. Instead, focus on your abilities, your dreams, and a brighter tomorrow. Source Wattpad. Yes, it is also included in my notebook or in my journal. That's all for tonight. Good night. God bless.